Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to explain how to install and use Github CLI GH on your computer. I have Ubuntu, so this process applies to this operation system. However, I think you can replicate it on other Linux-based platforms as well. First, if we search what is Github CLI, and click this page says GitHub CLI brings GitHub to your terminal, free and open source. So only click in this button to install. Copy paste this command in your terminal. Okay. I have that comment, so I don't enter it. Also, latest copy paste this comment, and here I only execute the command update. So that to verify that installation was successful, type the following command version. So good. This will check to installed version of GitHub CLI. Now let's authenticate by running this command. I can use this command, GitHub HAL for example. I have all the commands. I use that out login. So now here you will be prompted with some questions. Here, where do you use GitHub? Enter github.com. And what did you prefer protocol for Git operation on this host? HTTPS. Login with a web browser. Okay. Check this code. So here press enter to open browser. I have login in the browser with GitHub. Only click continue. Here enter the code displayed on your device is that. So device comment. Well, here 0. I'll continue. So authorize GitHub for all repository, create Git, read and team membership, full control of private repositories, update GitHub action workflow, authorize GitHub. And now congratulations, you all set. Your device is now connected. So we can check that it's okay with this command gh so it's all correct. We can see the repositories we have in my account. It is all my repositories. So that it also we have all the commands with this gh command, and for example core command I use gh out. We can use all the rest other commands in the next videos. Gh browser, code space, gis is also used. For example actions command and additional command. Well, here we have all command we can use with this page. So that's all for this tutorial. I hope you have a great day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.